What's up, beauty crew? Welcome back to She Does Beauty, and if you're new, hello. So as you can see, we're starting off with our Halloween designs today, and I'm sorry if it's a little choppy. I was recording and my camera stopped recording and didn't save any of the video, so I'm just gonna start it here. We're doing the rhinestone placement, and then after the rhinestone placement, we're going to do our Scream design. So for the rhinestone placements, I am using the Swarovski Nail adhesive, of course. Like I say in every video where I do bling, it is my absolute favorite. And then I am taking some black rhinestones, aka Swarovski crystals, and I get these from Skybeadsonline. They are my favorite, like, Swarovski dealer, rhinestone plug. Like, they really have great deals for their stones. And even the emerald is from there, and I want to say they have like a pack of 10 for like $4 or $5, so it's not bad at all. And for the edges, I am taking just some black micro beads to accentuate the red emerald diamond rhinestone, whatever. I don't know about you, but I was so ready to do some Halloween nails. I love the gothic vibes of like the red and the blacks, the purple and the black. I love it. Yes. I'm so ready for this next month coming up, October. We got some Libra nails. We have some more Halloween nails. I want to do some lacy gothic nails. Oh, I'm so ready, you guys. So ready. But as you can see, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, placing those micro beads. And then I went ahead on the other fingers that didn't have the white glow-in-the-dark acrylic on them. I did a black glitter French. If you need help on your Frenches, I'll go ahead and link that video down below where I kind of go more in depth about my French tips. Now, after those rhinestones are secure, we are going to move on to what I did for the index finger, and we are going to just use an all white acrylic and some glow-in-the-dark white acrylic. For this nail, we're just going to cover that entire nail with a base of white, and then I'm going to go over that white with the glow-in-the-dark acrylic that I have. I'll go ahead and link that down below. I believe I found it on Etsy, so I'll try to find the same seller. Now I'm going over that white with the glitter mix Scream that I got from Nail Heaven Supply, and I'm just going to do a really thin layer. It's okay if the white is still shown underneath because I want it to glow and show through. Next, I'm just taking some of the loose glitters that came off of my brush and just going to put them in some of the empty spaces where I just feel like it needs a little bit of something. Now, after you have your glitter to your liking, we are going to take my Scream decals that I have on my Etsy shop under SheDoesBeauty, and we are just going to add ghost face onto the nail. As you can see, these ones are a little bit harder because they're so small, but once they're on there, they're on there. So just have a little bit of patience, and if you have an extra pair of tweezers, that also helps out a lot. You could also do like a coat of like Swarovski adhesive or any kind of glue and let that dry for just like 1 second, and then place the stickers on top, just so you know that they're gonna be stuck and not go anywhere, but you won't be able to have that maneuverability and be able to move them around if need be. Now, once his face is to your liking, you're going to go ahead and take a semi-dry bead of clear acrylic, and you're just going to place that right on top of the face. I do it just so that I know his mouth and his eyes won't go anywhere, and his little nose. Next, you're just going to let that dry for a second, and then you're going to encapsulate the entire nail. For nail decals and nail stickers, it's all personal preference on how you want to get the sticker to stay. I love to encapsulate nails. That's just my thing. I love encapsulating. So I encapsulate all of my stickers, all of my nail decals, everything. But if you are more of a gel person, you can go ahead and just do a hard gel over the nail decal or even a gel top coat. Just make sure that the gel top coat is sufficient enough that it's going to keep the sticker in place. So maybe do one coat, wipe your sides, make sure that it's not going to be bulky from the top coat, and then do another like top coat on the decal only, just so you know that it's going to stay in place, and make sure that the sides of the decal are also capped so that you can't pick at it or anything else. So it's all personal preference on if you want to encapsulate it with acrylic or if you want to cap it with a gel or a hard gel. Totally up to you and your preference. But just remember, when you're doing any kind of nail, to just keep shaping it as you go along, because in the end it really does cut down on your filing time and it just looks nice, and you don't have to worry about sitting there for another hour shaping this thing into a coffin or into a slender square. If you just keep it nice and clean on your sides, keep patting, keep cleaning, get that excess off, you'll be fine in the end. Now once that nail is all built up to your liking, we're going to file, shape, and buff. Now once you're done making this guy all smooth, we'll go ahead and add our top coat. After we add our top coat, we'll go ahead and put this nail in the lamp. I'm going to put my nails in the lamp also so I can show you guys how cool this glow in the dark looks. I'm so in love with these Halloween nails. Are you guys ready? Look at that! I love that glow. They look so cute on short nails or on long nails. I'm so in love with this design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are ready for the super cute Halloween designs. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye!